Hello friends, this is Manoj Kalla. Welcome to another new video. Friends, in this video we'll be learn how to use the report variable and its value from Visual Foxpro. Okay, so the agenda is over in this videos are three main topic. What is the report variable, how to create the report variable, and how to reuse in program or clear the, and afterwards how to clear the variable. In short, the report variable, now suppose if you want to create a sales report, okay, so whatever the sales total is, you can view in your report. That total you want to use in another in some other reports, or in a entry module you can use that output variable from which is get generated from the report sales report. Okay, now I will show you step by step. Now you just see here how I am doing this. Now see this is the sales my table, this is the sales table. Here is the my client, item and amount. Okay, you understood the client, item and amount. See this, I am increasing the font Arial and I am going, this is the 16. Okay, this is my structure of my sales table, client, item and amount. Okay, in maybe real world this is a item table, invoice item table. Okay, this is the detail table of invoice. Okay, sorry. So this is the client, item and amount. Now see this, I had generated a one report. Okay, now you can see this, this is the what client, this is the client name, item, you can see in preview, client, item, amount, and this is the total. Now see this, in report go into variable, and I had created a Excel total here, and this is the map. With the map means this will get connected, it will absorb the value of amount, as you can see here. See, in the database table, we have the amount. Okay, so the same thing here in amount variable, this is the amount. Okay, that's why I just take a amount column, amount field. Okay, amount field, initial value it should be 0, then is the report, and what you want to do it with this, you want to do with the sum, average, lowest, highest, whatever you want the calculation you can take it up. So I had taken this sum, I want a sum, and if you want to release this variable after a report you can check this, otherwise there is no need to do anything. Now I had created Excel total, just keep it in mind, Excel total, XSALE TOTLE. Okay, now say this is I am copying this. Okay, so this is the done. Now see this, now what I will be do, now I am create a one cell. Okay, cell rep. Now cell rep, I just keep this Excel total is equal to 0. Okay, and I use Excels. Okay, if you want to clear all you can do it clear all. Okay, just I'm writing clear all because you should come to know all the things before. I'm clearing all the before activity of any, I'm clear all my setting. Okay, that's why I'm writing clear all. The Excel total is equal to 0, use cells. Okay, then I'm previewing my report form, and my report name is what, sales. You can see here sales is my report, and okay, so sales, and I'm writing preview. Okay, and now I'm writing, I want to see after the clearing this. Okay, after report previewing I want to see what is my value of Excel total. So I will be write down here total sales amount. Okay, and I will write convert into the string, then comma 0 for OK button, 64 you can see in IntelliSense 64, and now see this total sales amount copied copied into Excel total variable. Okay, is the generated Excel total amount generated value is still in X total variable. Okay, now I am closing this. Okay, now you can see here I am increasing the font size. Mm, 80. Okay, now you can see here what I had written, clear all, because I want to clear all. You should come to know okay, there is no any previous Excel total value, anything is be there, any kind of variable. You can do it by public also. If you want to use more and more some modules, you can create a public. Otherwise, if you want to use in that particular in a particular form, so you can create in a form, you can create in a PRG, and if you want to use in you want to keep that value in entire you can say in entire program, you can make it public Excel total. This is depend upon your requirement of the project. So the clear all Excel total is equal to 0. Use sales report form sales preview. Okay, I am previewing my report. Okay, as I had shown you here, modify report. This is my report here. This is the title, client, item, amount, and this is the client value will be render here, item will render here, item value and amount, and here this is my total. Okay, so Excel total, you can see here I have not done anything here like calculate. I am just displaying the value where I made and attach the functionality of Excel total here in report variable. You can see here Excel total, I created a one variable by adding this button and amount, and I want to do with copy the value or attach the value to this variable. I want the value to store is amount field. Okay, amount column of my sales database. Initial value is 0 and reset value based on report. Okay, some if you want to release that particular value, you can click this, otherwise keep it as it is. Okay, just and after that I am running this. Say this is the what 20 lakh 36,560 rupees. Okay, 20 lakhs 36,560. Now I am quit from this report. See this, close the preview. Afterwards you can see the total sales amount 20 lakh 36,560 rupees. The total sales amount generated value is still in the variable Excel total. Say this, and this is the total. Okay, now please understand here again in this see this, my variable which is the created in report called the report variable. Understood? But you can create in a PRG in a form also, and you can use the same name variable into a report also. Okay, and you can either create a public variable or a private variable. Okay, which is the variable use in report, right? And the next I had written a same code, use sales Excel total is equal to 0. There is no need to write a clear all. Why I had written? Because you should understand I had not done any magic. So I had clear all my previous all any setting or any variable. So Excel total, and then Excel total is I had created a, say this, you have to go in report and variable, and here I had created a variable Excel total again by clicking on add, and I had assigned the value to store is amount, initial value is 0, and reset the value in report, and calculation type sum, and I press OK. Okay, and see this. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you.